Today, we did the official opening of phase 2 of our manufacturing facility here in Casa Grande.
Quadrupling the size of the facility.
We went from under 1 million square feet to almost 4 million square feet. And really, you just have to kind of look around to see the palpable difference.
It's been a great partnership with the city and the county and Lucid Motors,
Giving us the space to ultimately mature from building a single car to building a second car. And for a company in our position, that is a huge milestone because we've only ever built a single car, a very an award-winning car, but ultimately still just a single car. So it's a huge opportunity for us. We're thrilled to have all the supervisors here today, as well as the governor, the congressman. Simply put, we couldn't have done this without the support at the county and the municipal level.
as they would eliminate locations. Pinal County and Casa Grande in Arizona stayed on the list, stayed on the list, and stayed on the list.
I think the biggest reason why they chose this particular area is because the involvement of the red tape and everything else that we got out of the way.
And the way this really worked was the county purchased the property and we lease it back to them.
And then over a period of time, we would get paid, the county, with interest for the investment.
Lucid Motors couldn't say enough nice things about Pinal County, the city of Casa Grande, and the state of Arizona.
That collaboration of being able to remove some of the red tape, that's what motivated Lucid to come here.
And now what do we see? Nikola, Procter & Gamble, Kohler, LG, they're here because they know they have a partner and people that are willing to work with them with their economic development dreams.
Drive 48 at the Signal Peak campus, CAC, is a really big deal. It's a facility that we help coordinate with the college and also with Lucid to give them a place to train people to work here.
Providing that the training to be able to work in these kind of manufacturing is fantastic.
Give them real life experience on the product off-site. The training is a huge thing in something like this. Obviously, there's so much that goes on in these cars.
And there will be more of these types of jobs in different industries that will benefit this entire community. It is great to see all these people in this location working here every day. They're getting a paycheck, and that's what's important.
We used to have so many people leaving the area to go to Maricopa County or go to Pima County to work. Now we're employing people in the county, having them spend money, make money here in the county, and that's really important. Local jobs, high-paying jobs.
That's less travel and more quality time that the families can spend at home with their kids, and doing the job that all parents want to do is just to be good moms and dads.
One of the former county employees that was in our maintenance crew is working here now. He retired from the county, but he didn't like being retired and he got a job here. I mean, that is fantastic.
Whether you want to be a mechanic, write the software for the robots, or whether you want to actually be an assembler on the line, all of these opportunities will be here in multitudes, and not just with Lucid. We're just the tip of the spear for everything that's coming down the pike. We've seen Core Power, we've seen Nikola, we've seen Electromechanica, we've seen LG, and I guarantee that that's just the beginning.
I came here 52 years ago, and as I stood here and said, there's 2 freeways and a railroad, something's gonna happen here someday, because that is just like the infrastructure that you couldn't draw it on a map any better.